Hello everyone, welcome back to Affiliate Offers. Now, for the past 4 years, I've personally worked on several online platforms, including UHRS, Clickworker, OneForma, Outlier, Maker.com, and many other platforms. Okay. Now, on this platform, the kind of work I used to do like surveys, okay, annotation, data collection, transcription, translation, AI training task, and microtasks. Okay. Some of you, I believe, discovered this platform through my content, and some of you made money a lot out of it. And I also made a lot of money from these platforms. But here's the truth no one is talking about right now. Most of these platforms no longer have consistent work. Okay. And it's not because you are unlucky or because you're doing something wrong or because your account has been banned. No, it's because the work itself is disappearing. Okay. Now, most of the tasks we used to do were focused on training AI systems. Okay. And we were labeling tasks, correcting responses, training AI models, and helping AI understand humans better. For years, humans were needed, but now AI has reached a level where it can do most of these tasks by itself. Okay, we train the system, and now the system no longer needs us. Okay, for basic tasks like the one we used to do. Okay. Most of the work we depended on has now been automated, and that's the truth. Okay. And if I'm being very honest with you, in the next 2 to 3 years, even with those foreign accounts, work like survey, captioning, basic data annotation, and microtask jobs will be very rare, or they'll disappear completely as a reliable source of income. Okay. So waiting for tasks to come back is not a plan. I believe it is a trap. Okay. And this is where most people will get stuck. I know some of you will continue refreshing those dashboards. Some will continue joining new platforms, hoping for miracles. Some will say, let's just wait a little longer and see if the task will come back. But smart people will adapt. Okay. And I strongly believe the future is not working for AI anymore. The future is working with AI. And one of the most important skills going forward is automation. Okay. And no, I'm not talking about building robots or becoming a computer genius. I'm just talking about learning how to use AI tools to automate tasks, to build systems that work for you 24/7, to replace repetitive work with smart workflows, and to help businesses save time and money. Okay. And this is because most businesses don't want more workers anymore. They want systems. Okay. And a system is basically something that you set up once instead of repeating the same work every single day. And the people who can build or manage those systems will always get paid in the future. Now, over the last few months, this is exactly what I've been learning, building, and testing behind the scene. Okay, I've been building systems that can turn skills into income. Okay, and now it's time for me to show you how you can do the same for businesses in your area. That's why this channel is evolving. And don't worry, everything you've learned so far was just foundation. Now it's time for us to upgrade. Okay, so from now on, this channel will focus on learning practical skills, turning them into systems, and earning without depending on task availability. Okay, so if you are ready to grow in this new direction, then consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with a friend. Okay, and if you want a deep explanation and updates, kindly join our Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Okay, so I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.